Hey there, car enthusiasts and leather lovers. Today, I've got an amazing product to share with you, the Chemical Guys Spy 10916 Leather Cleaner and Leather Conditioner Kit. This kit is not just for auto care, it's the perfect 1-2 punch for restoring leather on apparel, furniture, car interiors, shoes, boots, bags, and more. You know how important it is to keep your leather looking and smelling its best, and this kit has got you covered. The leather cleaner is pH balanced, colorless, and odorless, penetrating the pores in leather to remove dirt and oils. And the leather conditioner, with its subtle leather scent and vitamin E, nourishes the leather and helps reduce daily damage. Not only does this kit work wonders on your car interior, but it's also perfect for jackets, shoes, purses, and furniture. Plus, it's proudly made in the USA, so you can trust in its quality. And let's not forget that Chemical Guys is the go-to brand in car care, with world-class customer support and vast detailing knowledge. So why settle for anything less if you're ready to restore that smooth, sleek feel to your leather and prevent it from drying out, cracking, and fading? Then this is the kit for you. So go ahead and click the link in the description to get your hands on the Chemical Guys Spy 10916 Leather Cleaner and Leather Conditioner Kit today. Trust me, you won't regret it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more great products and car care tips.